Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. So today we're going to look at how to add a live event to your Facebook profile. So you can do this from your home feed or you can go to your actual profile. So when you're on your profile, you want to find the bit that says what's on your mind. So from there, you're going to click on there. Then you're going to click on the three little dots. So from here, you can see it says live update. So clicking on there, it gives you different categories to choose from. So you can update people about work, education, relationship, your home, family, travel, anything you want, or you can create a life event that is specific to you. So whichever one you want to choose, you click on it. And from there, you're going to create your posts. So for a travel update, it might be something like in Ibiza, and then you can add in the location. So if you want to let people know you're in Ibiza, Spain, and from there you can add the date. So whether you're there now or it's something you've done in the past. From there, you can also add in like pictures, photos, videos, things like that. When you're finished updating the live event, you click on done. Then you can also add some text in up the top here. And you can also decide who sees it. So do you want anyone to on or off Facebook to see it, or you just want friends or just certain friends? So when you've chosen that, you can click on done. And then when your post is ready, you can click on post. And that is it. Hope that helped, guys. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.